In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can replace your rear windscreen wiper on your BMW 1 Series. And I'm using the Bosch rear replacement windscreen wiper, which is 12 inches long, H306. Of course, this may vary depending on your model, so make sure you give it a quick Google search to see which one works for you. Now, it's important to keep in mind that this curved edge here is always facing the top of the windscreen. So you can see this is the replacement windscreen wiper. It has a curved edge there that's always going to be facing to the top, and it has a flat edge that's going to be facing towards the bottom. So all you need to do is pull your wiper away from the car, and then you need to just flip it like I am here. So you can see now it's kind of like a bow, and once you flip it, it should just come out like that. Now you might need to use a screwdriver to pry it open, but it was pretty easy. Just bend it backwards so it comes like a bow, and we can get rid of the old one. And this will be a good time to clean your windscreen as well. It's winter currently now in the UK, so that's why my car is dirty with all the salt from the roads. And then to put the new one on, you simply just go reverse. So you get the little groove and the little pivot point, and you press it into place and swivel it back. And there you then have your BMW rear windscreen wiper replaced. It's very easy, simple like that. If you've got any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel to see more great videos as well. And I'll see you guys in the next tech video.